You've seen the face of homelessness. But what if there was another side?
Around 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck and have less than $1,000 in their bank account. That means that everything needs to go just right every month to keep your head above water. So when something does happen, they have very few resources to dig themselves out of a hole and quickly find themselves in a place they never thought they'd be. The vast majority of individuals that experience homelessness are situationally homeless, which means they've suffered some sort of life-altering event, and through a series of circumstance or bad luck, find themselves without a place to live. They have marketable skills, have been in the workforce, but just need a hand up. And that's really what Shelters to Shutters is trying to provide. When individuals are experiencing homelessness, you can't even apply for a job at a fast food restaurant without a permanent address. So how do you get a job without an address? And how do you keep an address without a job? It's a catch-22. Shelters to Shutters takes the innovative approach of providing both. We work with the apartment industry to provide entry-level positions and housing for those experiencing homelessness. That's incredibly powerful to immediately become part of a community because they live where they work.
Being homeless is like a mental prison because you're limited to where you can go and what you can do. I lived on the streets. Then finally, I couldn't do it anymore because I couldn't keep a job. Then transitional housing. The job counselor there called me in his office one day and he said, "You got a pretty good chance of getting in this program because you have some work skills."
There's such a need in the apartment industry to find good, quality employees. They're looking for highly motivated individuals. That's exactly what they're getting. We're finding individuals and talent in places that they're simply not going to look.
It was just what I needed. It solves the whole puzzle of my life at this point. I'm a service technician, and we maintain whatever it takes to keep the property running. We do it all. It's never a dull day.
Each entry-level position in the apartment industry has upward mobility. This doesn't have to necessarily just be a new job, it can be a brand new career. And the numbers bear it out. The apartment industry has a turnover rate of approximately 50% annually for entry-level positions. Our turnover rate is 13%. 89% of our participants have received some sort of wage increase within the first 12 months of employment, and a full 93% of our participants have not experienced homelessness again.
I don't have to worry about where I'm gonna sleep, what I'm gonna eat. I have 5 grandkids. They keep me going. I'm just blessed to be alive and to be around for them because of what I went through. It's like a miracle.